Top 5 strongest dogs in the world. So in number 5, the Rhodesian Ridgeback. Originally bred to hunt lions, they pack a punch in their lean, muscular bodies. Fourth, the towering Irish Wolfhound. Not just strong, but also the tallest of all dog breeds. Moving to number 3, the Rottweiler. Known for their herding and guarding instincts, their strength is undeniable. At number 2, we have the Saint Bernard. Don't let their gentle demeanor fool you, these dogs are powerhouses. And finally, the number 1, the Mastiff. This breed is the epitome of strength, with a history as war dogs. Their size and power are truly unmatched. These are the top 5 strongest dog breeds, each unique, each a testament to the power of man's best friend.